Imagine if life were a never-ending loop, where each choice today shapes your tomorrow. Sounds intriguing, right? That's samsara. It's a concept that has fascinated thinkers for centuries. Samsara is a journey through life, death, and rebirth. Samsara isn't about being punished. Think of it as a chance to learn and grow. It's about understanding ourselves and the universe around us. We'll uncover the secrets of samsara. Join me as we explore this ancient wisdom. We'll discover how it relates to our modern lives. Samsara is often depicted as a wheel. This wheel is constantly turning. It represents the cycle of birth, life, death, and rebirth. Imagine a video game character. When the character dies, you don't stop playing. You start again, right? That's samsara in action. Each lifetime is a new level in the game of samsara. We gain experience with each turn of the wheel. We learn from our mistakes and celebrate our successes. The concept of samsara originated in ancient India. Both Hinduism and Buddhism embrace this idea. These religions see samsara as a fundamental truth about existence. Samsara isn't about being trapped, it's about liberation. The goal is to break free from the cycle. In Hinduism, this liberation is called Moksha. Buddhists call it Nirvana. Imagine reaching the highest level in a game. You've mastered the challenges, you're ready for something more. That's the ultimate goal in samsara. Samsara isn't just an ancient idea. It's a timeless concept that transcends cultures and eras, offering profound insights into the human experience. It's relevant to our lives today. Whether we realize it or not, we all go through cycles of growth, stagnation, and renewal. Think about your own experiences. Reflect on the moments when you felt truly alive and those when you felt stuck. Have you ever felt stuck in a rut? Perhaps in a job that feels monotonous or a relationship that seems to be going nowhere. These feelings of being trapped can be overwhelming. These situations can feel like being stuck on a level in samsara. But there's hope. Just as in a game, we have the power to change our circumstances. Just like in a game, we can learn new skills. We can seek out new knowledge and experiences that help us grow. We can try different approaches to level up in life. Each new challenge we take on helps us to break free from the cycles that hold us back. Each challenge we overcome pushes us forward. We gain wisdom and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. We become more compassionate and understanding. Our experiences shape us into better versions of ourselves. It's all part of the journey through samsara. Embrace the cycles, learn from them, and continue to grow. This is the essence of personal growth and transformation. Samsara might seem like a heavy topic, often associated with ancient philosophies and spiritual teachings. But we can find it everywhere in our modern world, woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Think about binge-watching your favorite show. It's a common pastime for many of us. You finish one episode and immediately start the next, unable to resist the urge to see what happens next. It's like a mini cycle of samsara. This cycle of desire and fulfillment keeps us hooked. Or consider your daily routine. The monotony of everyday life can feel overwhelming. You wake up, go to work, come home, and do it all again the next day. The cycle repeats itself. This repetition can feel like being stuck in the cycle, a never-ending loop of tasks and responsibilities. But even in these everyday moments, we have choices. We can choose to break the cycle. We can choose to be mindful, to be present in each moment, and to appreciate the small things. We can break free from negative patterns, whether it's unhealthy habits or unproductive routines. We can strive for something more, something meaningful, and find fulfillment beyond the cycle. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth, where each moment offers a chance to learn more about ourselves and the world around us. It's a journey that we all share, regardless of our backgrounds or beliefs. We are all interconnected in this vast web of existence. As you've seen, samsara isn't a remote concept. It's present in our daily lives, in our thoughts, actions, and interactions. It's woven into the fabric of our lives, influencing our decisions and shaping our experiences. So the next time you feel stuck, remember samsara. It's a reminder that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Think of the video game character hitting restart. Just like in a game, we have the power to start anew, to try again with a fresh perspective. Each day is a new opportunity, a blank slate waiting to be filled with new experiences and lessons. It's a chance to learn, grow, and ultimately break free from the cycle. Every step we take brings us closer to understanding and enlightenment. The journey might be long, but the rewards are infinite. The peaks we reach and the horizons we explore are worth every effort. What will you do with your next turn of the wheel? The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Enjoying the video? If you're finding this fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others who might appreciate it, and drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more thought-provoking content.